We can argue all day about this, or you can actually look at the facts, figures, numbers, logic. If you're using just media, surface level news to make your decisions in the financial space, you're always going to get wrecked. If you go deeper, and you pull yourself to a 30,000 foot overview, you have to look at exactly what is happening in our world. And yes, I'm going to repeat the same things over and over again because what you repeatedly do gets ingrained in your subconscious mind. What gets ingrained in your subconscious mind becomes an unconscious activity. That's why you're worried about UFOs in the sky. So if you take a step back and look at the World Economic Forum, they're moving us to zero carbon by 2030. There is no invisible enemy, guys. This stuff is in plain sight. You have access to all of this information, but you're so busy looking at the wrong things that you can't see the changes that are happening in our financial system right as we speak. We are moving to distributed ledger technology, and here is why. Number one, we cannot move into the new era of Web 3.0 with the old archaic banking system. It won't connect at a computing level. So we're moving from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0. You need technologies to connect that. And when they tell you cryptocurrency is a fraud, there's many cryptos or blockchains that actually connect that. And that will be the technologies that they use. Number two is we're in a liquidity crisis. The world needs liquidity. The world needs access to finances. And there's been a supply chain problem created. And when there's a problem, you need a solution. So we talked about the connection between Web 2.0 to Web 3.0, and there's crypto blockchain technologies that do that. And there's also technologies or blockchains or DLT or on-demand liquidity that solves the banking problem in liquidity and access to financial services. Number three, environmental social governance, ECG. This is the zero carbon narrative. They are moving us to zero carbon. Electric cars, gas, solar, wind, and if companies do not get up with a zero carbon or move into carbon credits, they will not be getting their funding in the new financial system. If you're a corporation who's not playing the ECG game, you are not going to survive. You are not going to get your funding. You have to meet strict requirements in order to keep operating properly within the new ecosystem and meet the policies. So tips, dive into Hyperledger Fabric, dive into the Crypto Climate Accord, dive into the Paris Agreement, and also go down this rabbit hole, the Climate Pledge. Don't sleep on what Hyperledger is doing. But if you need daily education, click the link in my bio, subscribe to my YouTube channel, daily education videos. Warriors, get your shit together. Love you.